Imagine an engine so powerful, so reliable, and so legendary that it's been the backbone of America's toughest trucks for decades. I'm talking about the Caterpillar 3406-R, a beast that has earned its place in the Hall of Fame for heavy-duty engines. But what makes this powerhouse tick? And why does it still command respect in a world flooded with newer technology? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the secrets behind the 3406R's enduring legacy. And trust me, some of these facts will blow your mind. But first, let me ask you, have you ever wondered why some trucks simply never quit, while others barely make it past the first haul? Spoiler alert, it's all in the engine. And no, it's not because of the coffee they drink, although that might help. Let's rewind a bit. The Caterpillar 3406 series was introduced in the early 1980s, but the 3406R model, the R standing for revised, launched in the early 1990s and quickly became a legend in its own right. Why? Because CAT engineers took an already tough engine and made it tougher. Here's a quick pattern interrupt. Did you know the 3406R was so reliable that many trucks with this engine have logged over 1 million miles without a major rebuild? That's right, 1 million. Some drivers joke it's like having a truck with a never-ending heartbeat, but what exactly makes it so durable? First, its inline six-cylinder design delivers a smooth, consistent power output. Unlike the newer V engines, the inline setup means fewer moving parts and less wear and tear over time. Plus, it's built like a tank, with a massive iron block and high-quality components that withstand extreme stress. And the power? Oh, it's impressive. The 3406R pumps out between 375 to 550 horsepower, depending on its configuration, with torque numbers that make even the steepest mountain roads feel like a Sunday drive. Now, here's a quick question for you. What's more important in a truck engine? Raw horsepower or reliable torque? Think about it. The answer might surprise you. The 3406R prioritizes torque, the twisting force that actually moves heavy loads. That means this engine excels at pulling massive trailers and conquering tough terrain. It's no wonder fleets across the USA swear by it. But power alone doesn't tell the whole story. Let's talk about fuel injection. The 3406R uses mechanical fuel injection, a technology many might consider old school today. But here's the twist. Mechanical injection systems offer unparalleled reliability and easier maintenance compared to the electronic systems that dominate modern engines. And speaking of maintenance, ever heard the saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? With the 3406R, routine maintenance is straightforward and affordable. Simple filters, easily accessible components. Mechanics love working on these engines because they're built to be understood and repaired, not just replaced. Now here's where it gets exciting. In an era of rapidly advancing engine technology, with electric trucks and computer-controlled systems taking center stage, why does the Caterpillar 3406R still matter? Why do owners fight tooth and nail to keep these engines running? Because this isn't just an engine. It's a symbol of American grit, of reliability when the stakes are highest. But here's the cliffhanger. With tightening emissions regulations and newer engines boasting cleaner tech, how long can the 3406-R continue its reign? Many operators have found ways to keep their 3406R engines compliant through aftermarket solutions, proving that innovation doesn't always mean abandoning the past. These engines have become a bridge between old-school toughness and modern-day demands. And for those who own a 3406R, the pride goes beyond just horsepower and torque. It's about having a machine that refuses to quit, no matter what the job throws at it. So if you're a trucker, a mechanic, or just a fan of powerful machines, understanding the Caterpillar 3406R isn't just about specs. It's about appreciating a legacy that helped shape the American trucking industry. Now, here's the final question. If you had to pick between the latest flashy engine and the tried and true 3406-R, which would you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear from you. And if you want to see more deep dives into legendary engines like this one, Hit that subscribe button because the journey is just getting started. Thanks for riding along with us through the story of the Caterpillar 3406-R, the engine that refuses to quit. Remember, when it comes to power, reliability, and sheer American muscle, sometimes the classics are simply unbeatable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that fuels your passion for all things heavy duty. Until next time, keep those engines running strong.